And hi guys! Today it's part 3 of making slime. Sorry. You guys. Sorry for any noises. Mine is turning out.
Me too.
No, you need to start with your hands. Just saying. Let's remove the spoon / spatula. Wow, this boy is super fluff.
Me too.
Oh.
But mine, look. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. We made it giant.
Ginormous, you mean. Wow, like Play-Doh.
Hers maybe not too much.
Wash your hands. Wash
You are dumb. You added too much activator. It's not gonna work.
You just need, you know what you need?
Glue.
Yeah.
No shaving.
Whoa, so fluffy.
No, you're naughty. I told you not for seal. I kept telling her. Hers is not gonna work. Maybe a few parts are gonna work. Like you're not gonna have this much big slime. Go wash. Go wash and do not touch me. Naughty. Naughty girl. Like maybe only this part will work.
These are not going to work?
No.
Yes, they are. They don't
Pour
help.
me some Persil, hon. Because I added you some shaving.
This.
I said pour me some Persil.
Okay.
What? She won't make to work. What I have to do?
Oh my gosh. Can you give me some Persil, Judy?
Sorry.
God, you're so gosh. She's a messy. Pour.
What do you call
جبت بلوستي slime. شكرا. Judy. Pour. Best.
Even I got messy.
Yeah, I do not care. You can wash it, but I do not want the things. Do not touch. Go wash, I said.
Not now.
Sure, as you like. Yeah, I do not think it will all work. Like maybe a part of it will work, but not all of it. Because you really messed up. Can I?
Soft.
It's not. It's working. It's working. That's all I can see. But not all of the parts. You guys do not bring slime on my t-shirt, but it was kind of only like shaving cream. His hands are full of shaving. Oh, this part's working. Only this part's fine. All this part will not work. It's all your fault. You can you move the paints away? No, your hands are not. You guys, you know that it is not working for her. Here's mine worked. I love how mine looks.
It's okay, I have more.
Glue.
And I can mix this with that. And it will
Would
turn
you like to
better.
make this turquoise? Or do you want to keep it white?
I
Because this will
wanna-
not work at all.
You know what? I like this color.
I'm going to go wash.
I know what to do. But first I need to wash also.
I'm here, you guys. So her slime is not going to work at all. So my slime is
Because I know an idea that my slime's going to be bigger.
You cannot mix it together or the other batch will get ruined. So here's my slime. I'm going to give her some after the video so she does not get sad. It is such a dream. You want to touch it? It's super fun. Touch it. Let me take off my shoes because it's still warm. Oh my. You sneeze, girl. What the heck is... are you making the slime turquoise or you want to keep it like a cloud? It's a lot of blue. That's enough. Are you sad? No, she's not. So, fresh batch of slime red. I'm
Oh,
gonna
that's a
get
lot of
yellow. It does not have any. I do not have any slime on me. Ooh, this really hurts. It hurts. Wow, so beauty.
Look at mine.
Wowie. Look. I will make this batch, please. You're gonna mess. Let's grab a container.
There's no glue left.
Look at this. Oh, this boy. This boy. Fight, boy. Ooh, pew, pew,
I
pew.
need a bit of this.
No,
Yeah.
it will get ruined, I said. Why don't you listen to me?
Do you know I'm going to let this Play-Doh?
This will go in the garbage can.
No, I'm going to let it Play-Doh because Play-Doh's like this.
If you will let it dry out, it will maybe get into Play-Doh. So do not touch. So
I'm going to have Play-Doh.
slam this. This is red. I'm gonna grab a plate.
And I will share the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
And you're going to have your white.
My white?
Yeah, because
My
I
white? No.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm going to share. I'm going to share my Play-Doh. You're going to share your white because I'm doing a new one.
Okay.
Remember?
I'm gonna have to just wipe my hands first. Take off my scrunchies since they're brand new. Now we're gonna start this. I'm gonna be adding this.
Tanya,
Yeah.
start doing my slime.
Mix it.
Did you put me fluff?
No. That's what you ruined your slime. She does not
This one is
understand
good.
me. She understands, but she does not want.
I did an S.
Okay, here. Mine is kind of good. Really not good. I got my slime here. Put it in a bowl. Do not overextend Priscilla. And then we're going to have to clean everything after I finish the vid. You know that?
Mine's turning out.
Look at mine. Fluff, duff, and stuff, boy.
I'm going to half it.
The white? No.
Yeah, because I don't have.
Because I'm going to have my turquoise and you already have... Oh. Okay, fine. I'll have my white.
Look, I'm going to have my Play-Doh.
But next...
You're going to have your slime. I'm going to do my own.
We'll talk about it after the video, please.
There's already here.
Rock. We always do. We're always, so yeah, not always, like some. We're gonna do videos on Thursday, so we're always here on Thursday. Now I'm starting with my hands, by the way. If you're wondering, I started with my flopping hands. And now I am gonna start kneading my hands. Here we have this ball of fluff goodness.
Huh? Put a lot.
Just mix. Got my ball of fluff here.
Mine's saying.
It's good. Yours is good. But do not add more, Priscilla. You know why? Because that one gets stringy. You do not stringy like yours here. This boy, thick boy.
Good boy. What should I do? It's not turning like this.
Okay, can I make it? You go wash your hands, please.
We take these like this.
No, I do not.
So they still have.
I know what I'm doing. Go wash your hands, I said.
There's more.
I said do not touch me. Go get it. Go wash your hands.
Wait, there's more. Look. Look. Look at this.
Go. Hello. I do not make your son if you do not go listen to me. You guys, she dirtied me. Look, slime's working. Slime's working. Duty, washer. Are you washing? Okay, I'm done with your slime.
They were.
Yeah. Sorry. Your slime's ready. It just needs a tad bit of persil. I put a lot while I'm looking. It's good. Yours is good. It's perfect, not good. Here's her slime. Judy! A hoodie. Slime's ready. Get a plate like mine.
I want to play with that first.
No, you need to put it on a plate first.
And you play with it and then you put it.
What?
Wow, it turned out nice. And fluffy. There's still more. Should I put these?
No. Please no. The white did not turn out also. It's not good. The white is not good. So we're gonna wash our hands and clean up. But after we hang
The Play-Doh.
let's not do it later.
But mine's not turning out.
Yours? No, it's turned out. I told you that's why you put it in a plate first. So now we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna clean up with you guys since you're the best guys ever. These little paints, we're gonna have to wash them. Wash her.
So I need to open everything with my legs.
Okay, my hands are clean. Ooh, throw me. Because you have dirty me. Get this.
Now, in the next video, we're going to do food. But not now. We need to clean up and then get a rest. And then we'll do another video, cupcake. Or something else, food. That's it, really?
Close. Let's put this.
Let me put the Play-Doh in the fridge.
Fridge?
Yeah. What's the Play-Doh? Oh, should I put water on the Play-Doh? Yeah?
What?
Should I put water on the Play-Doh? Yeah?
No.
You said sink.
No, I mean like dates on the sink.
Oh,
Go to the camera.
Where's
This throw it away the sink and then.
Just throw the slime?
Yeah.
It's actually turning out.
Oh, I don't want to throw it in my garbage. Guys, we're cleaning. Hope you're good. Stay safe and stay home. Peace.